so here is my first example. Find the eigenvalues of the given matrices. Okay, so here this is my given matrix. So what is the order? This is 2 cross 2. It means so this is the 2 cross 2 matrix. Then we will get 2 eigenvalues for this matrix. I am going to give a name for this matrix as A, and this is what 0 1 and 1 0. So how to find the eigenvalues? For finding the eigenvalues, first we have to write in the form of what? Characteristic equation. Okay, so characteristic equation is what? Which is nothing but determinant of A minus lambda I, which is equal to what? 0. Okay, so first we have to write in this form. Okay, what is my matrix? Which is nothing but 0 1 1 0. Okay, which is minus lambda. So first for this example I will explain detailedly. Okay, so keep lambda as it is. And what is I means what? Identity matrix. So here the given matrix is 2 cross 2. That's why you have to take the 2 cross 2 identity matrix 1 0 and 0 1, which is equal to what? 0. Okay, so just to simplify this one. Okay, if you do the simplify, what you will get? 0 1 1 0, and this is what? Minus. So lambda into 1 is lambda, lambda into 0 is 0, lambda into 0 is 0, lambda into 1 is what? Lambda, which is equal to what? 0. Okay, so next what you have to do? Just subtract this lambda I matrix from this your A. Okay, 0 minus lambda, it means what? Minus lambda. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus lambda is what? Minus lambda, which is equal to 0. So this is what? This is your A minus lambda I now. Okay, so now you have to find the determinant. How to find the determinant? Just multiply these two things first. Minus lambda into minus lambda is lambda square. And 0 into 0 is what? So this is what? This will give you 0, and this is what? This is A. This is your 0. Okay, and this is what you will get here, 0. So next what you have to do? Sorry. So lambda minus 0 minus lambda is minus lambda. 1 minus 0 gives you 1, and 1 minus 0 gives you 1. 0 minus lambda gives you minus lambda. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. Okay, so which is what? 0. Now you have to find the determinant. Minus lambda into minus lambda is lambda square, and minus 1 into 1 gives you 1, which is equal to what? 0. Okay, so now you have to find the roots of this lambda. So how to find? You have to simplify this one, which means lambda square is equal to, this is minus 1. If it will goes to in the right side, and it will become a plus 1. Okay, so here it is what? Lambda square. Just take the root of 1. Okay, so this is what? Lambda is equal to square root of 1, which is nothing but what? Square root of 1, which is nothing but this may be plus or minus 1. It means eigenvalues are eigenvalues of your given matrix A. These are what? It may be lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to minus 1. So how you so like this you have to solve the problems.